Is it working? Is it recorded?
You in front of the camera, you see the red dot.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Anyway, welcome back to a new video, everybody. I hope everybody doing well. This world is going crazy right now, but things started to settle down a little bit. RP to George Floyd. It sucked what happened to him. I hope everybody did their part in helping the protest and didn't loot or riot. If you did loot or riot, I hope you didn't loot or riot a small business, because these small businesses, they need us to help them grow and to help the community grow. But if you did everything else, like these big corporations, I don't care, because they can replace all this stuff. These small businesses can't. But yeah, I didn't drop a video last Sunday. Reason being, all this stuff going on got me kind of stressed out, and I just want to just decompress and also just show some respect to George Floyd, because it was just too much going on at the time. So I just decided not to drop the video. So I'm dropping one this Sunday. I just need to take a week off. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Follow me on IG at mattxi.exe.
And follow me on Instagram at Zavante5000. All right.
I was supposed to say that part, but yeah, he did that for me. Go follow my bro. Today's video is going to be about me unboxing a whole bunch of shit that I got from Chinatown Market. I had to wear a Chinatown Market t-shirt, the CNN one. If you haven't seen it yet, there it is right there. But it's going to be a big, I got 5 packages I need to open. I'm finna get to it. Without further ado, let's crack them open. Get out the camera.
Recording?
Yep, let's go.
I do it.
Alright, so the first package I'm gonna bust open. I don't know what it is. I'm just grabbing the first package right here to my left. So I'll just pick it up, open it up, show y'all. Let's go. There it is. Ooh, no. No, I don't wanna open this one.
Bro, open the big one.
It is big. I just wanna open this one. This one hard. Real hard.
That's what she said. Don't you dare.
Yeah,
man.
Keep talking.
Okay. All right.
Hello. I know what this is. Well, I can see it, of course. So, I decided to buy this from Chinatown Market, which is a planner. Take a look. Yeah. So I decided to buy a planner.
Let me hold on the side. It's probably like this.
I'll do B-roll of it anyway. Anyway, I decided to buy a planner so I can write all my notes in for ideas I want to do for my videos and things I want to do in the future. And just things I want to write down, just ideas and stuff that I want to do. So yeah, I had to get me a planner. I thought it was dope. They had, I think like a couple of dollars, so it wasn't too much. I think like $15 for that, maybe less, I don't know.
15.
I know, the other thing was $15 that I got, but you'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna write down my notes for my YouTube channel, things I want to get done. Yeah, so we got me a planner, and that's it. Here's the next one. Bruh, you hit my chips.
Sorry.
Ooh, we got a sticker too. Hey.
Yeah. Okay.
That's a sticker that comes with.
I'm the showman.
Alright, damn.
Boom.
Oh, it was $15. Good. Alright.
It's blurry, but y'all understand. It's just a freaking sticker.
It's just a sticker. That's another thing I decided to get is this. It's in the box. Can't see it, but I'll bust it open for you see it. You don't even know what it is, do you?
Film.
Nope.
Camera.
Nope. One more guess.
Tampons.
Yep. Alright. So, do you know what it is now?
Yeah, the carrier for the airpod.
Yeah, so I decided to get a carrier. Well, put that. It's a little dark.
I got you. You understand.
So yeah, I decided to get me a AirPods holder, and I will put where are my AirPods? I just had them
over there.
But anyway, yeah, you'll see the B-roll. I decided to get those because I think it'd be dope for me to have, and it's hard to keep track of them sometimes because they sometimes real kind of slippery. They can slide out my pockets when I'm sitting down.
Oh, yeah.
So this got a little rubber texture to it. So get your hand out of the camera. What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
So,
shoot.
What?
Keep going. Go ahead.
But anyway, so I decided to get this to say Chinatown Market on the front with a little basketball on, a basketball with a smiley face on it. So I just thought it'd be cool. Black and yellow, can't go wrong with that. Bracken Railroad.
Okay, next.
Also, it do got a little charger at the little bottom of it for the port. So, yeah. So that's all I got for that. And let's go to the next item.
How many we got?
I think I know what this one is. Hurry up, bro. Replace the damn battery.
I'm trying to put it in the hole, in the bowl.
Okay.
Okay. Amen.
I look like that.
Because I want.
Fix it.
I'm
Takes too long. Your pay going down, dog.
trying to get her. And action.
Alright, fucking battery died. We had to switch it out, so we good to go. Thank God I had an extra battery on standby.
Extra.
Got 2 extra batteries on standby. But anyway, we went to the next package we got from Chinatown Market, and I think I know what it is because this package is a little bit.
Guess first. Guess before you open it.
I already know what it is. I got an idea.
What is it then?
I'm gonna just say a vintage type looking T-shirt, and I was right. And I didn't even look at it all the way. I just knew. Woo! And it came with another sticker. Yeah. Alright, take it down.
All right.
It ain't focused, but anyway. Alright, so what I got? Another Chinatown Market tee. I had to get this. I seen it pop up on Instagram. I'm like, gotta get it. I think I was at work when I seen it, so I had bought it at work. So you can't go wrong with it. So the shirt that I got, there's a dope spin on the NASCAR.
That's that same shirt from what's the name? Jack Boys, ain't it?
I don't know.
Look it up.
But yeah, I decided to get this because it got that vintage NASCAR look going on with it, and I gotta cop this shirt. So yeah, this guy, you know, got a nice little screen print on it, nice little medium coat of ink. So it's gonna last. Oh, I'm fucking now.
Yeah, you got it.
I want to make sure. But yeah, had to add it to the collection.
That's my car, bro.
Huh?
That's my car too.
Yeah, what? Oh, okay.
Yep.
So yeah, you're gonna be seeing a lot more Chinatown Market, a lot more Human Made, cause ain't nobody really talking about those 2 brands. Get out the camera.
All right.
So I'm trying to dominate that market of Chinatown Market and Human Made on YouTube. Hey, y'all come to me if y'all need everything
Oh yeah.
dealing with those 2 brands, cause hey, I'm trying to blow this thing up. You know what I'm talking about? Like, alright.
Insert clip.
I know, right? I don't even do it. I ain't gonna even do it. Another package. Bunch of thing on. It's like Christmas, bro. This is like Christmas every time.
I'm trying to help you open the bag. Damn.
Yeah, I know. What that?
What it is? Choose that.
What that is?
Choose that.
Check this out.
Oh!
What's up? Come out.
Another sticker.
Hey, you stickered up. Hurry up. Take it to him. It's a double.
Yeah. Same thing. This is actually mine now because I got 2
Yeah,
of
you
them.
can have it.
Yes.
That's your pay for the week.
Oh, God.
Hey, man. Town is hard over here, man. Budget's getting low, you know. Yeah. So the next thing I got from Chinatown Market, I had to get me some sweatpants. And if you haven't can't tell, it's the same as the T-shirt. I should have got the gray version. I thought because they look white. Because with the black fine.
Yeah, black on black.
You understand why I want to get the gray version?
Black on black. Why? Okay.
Hey, man, I gotta get out the camera.
Don't like this picture, this video.
Anyway, I should have got the gray version, but it looked white on the website. The reason I wanted the gray version is because, women,
The ladies out there.
they be looking. Trust me,
yeah.
I had a lot looking before. I don't think my computer turned off.
On my side.
But anyway, these are sweatpants that I caught. It says Chinatown Market with a CNN logo play on it. It's just going down the left side of the pants.
Got some texture on that thing. Too.
Yep. Ooh, I can wear some Jordan 1 breads.
Yeah, boy.
The ones you got on, I can wear those with this.
He
What
lying.
you talking about?
He lying.
But yeah, had to come some sweatpants. I think these was
35, 45.
nah. Oh, damn! I paid that much. I ain't gonna say the price.
Bro, I'm trying to feel the.
Oh.
Okay, dang. Oh,
Well, they ain't like normally wear.
that's how you treat me, bro.
It'll be alright. So I got these in the size large. They didn't say they ain't had like a chart on it saying like the width and shit of it. So you already lost your sticker. But anyway, got these in the size large. They look like they'll fit me anyway. So essentials, sweatpants, always essential. No matter where you go, no matter what you do.
Airplane.
Bruh, listen. When we go on our trips, we go to LA and Vegas, I wore either my Adidas joggers or some regular old sweatpants. The best traveling clothes to wear is sweatpants. And just a tee and a hoodie. Put that hoodie on the plane, like this in that corner.
Have little headphones in.
Right there. But if you're on Delta, you be up the whole time there watching movies. That's what I do. I just watch movies the whole time on Delta. Hey, this ain't focus in, touch my face. There it is.
Wait.
Oh. Focus?
Yep.
Alright. What's package?
4.
No. Fourth package. Now we're on the fourth package. I feel another sticker in here because it's kind of hard. Alright, I ain't touching it. Alright, the fourth package. What we got? Oh, I forgot about this t-shirt. I forgot I ordered this. Brack and Railroad.
Kill Bill.
Brack and Railroad.
What? Are you saying it backwards?
No, black. Like, it's a joke. Me and my homegirl, she Asian, and Asian people say certain like letters. Like,
oh, okay. And
like the L sound like R's.
Okay.
So it's like a little joke with me and her. So I would say Brack, and she say, I say Railroad.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little jokey joke. Don't nobody get offended. It's just a little jokey joke.
We just playing, y'all. We just playing.
Ain't no racism over here, dog. We ride with everybody. They ride with us. You know what I'm talking about? So, there you hear that pop. So I had to get that tag out of the way, throw that thing back.
I'm trying to fit.
Oh, bro. Yeah, just touch it. Happy now?
Yes.
Yep, cop this. I wanted a regular Chinatown Market t-shirt. Got one. I ain't want to get no black and white t-shirt that's just too standard, especially in my closet. So I'm like, let me get some yellows and something different in my closet. So yellow will be the first. Well, not the first, but one of the few colored t-shirts. Whoa. That's one of the few colored t-shirts in my closet.
Oh yeah, it's deep.
This is racial in here, y'all.
It's deep though.
This is racial. Think about it. All right, last but not least.
Stop moving so much.
I can't help it. Last but not least, it's a biggin.
It's a blunt. Hey y'all, it's a blunt, y'all. I bet it's a blunt. It's a blunt.
That's over there on my desk.
Oh, for real?
3 on.
Ooh. Wait, cut.
All
right.
Anyway, so yeah, I had this was my first one that came in from Chinatown Market. It's the first, and it was been here for like 2-3 weeks, just sitting them in a corner. And what I'm gonna do with this, I'll tell you in a minute. But let me show you what.
There it is right now.
Focus in, and we're good.
And good.
And we're good. All right, that's it.
Good gracious.
That's it, y'all. I don't need to see nothing else.
Yeah.
Oh, that's big. That is big. That ain't gonna be that big. So what I got a doormat. It says, call my lawyer. And they had this printed on a t-shirt, and I wanted to get it, but they sold out in all the sizes. So when I seen them post up this doormat, I had to cop. So this is gonna be going outside of my room door, because we already got a doormat for
the house.
Outside the house. So this is gonna be something for me, just a little, I guess, with a trinket, novelty item for me to have outside my door. And I will be adding more little things in like this in my room. So, yep, this was the last item that I caught from Chinatown. Well, this was the first item that I caught from Chinatown Market. I didn't pay that much for it.
You know what'd be dope?
What's up?
They have a mailbox.
I'll copy.
In front of their door? Go ahead.
All right. But yeah, there's all the stuff I got from Chinatown Market. I got a lot more stuff coming. I got some more human made coming. I ordered something else from them that's not a piece of clothing. It's another little
a brick like Supreme.
A brick
like Supreme got.
I ain't gonna say fuck Supreme because I still want to cop some of their stuff, but I ain't doing resale prices on the retail. But anyway, I got some more human made stuff coming. I got a tee that I'm gonna unbox, and I got another item that I'm gonna unbox from human made that is not a t-shirt or it's not a clothing garment or anything like that. Yeah, appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Follow me at mattxi.exe. Follow my boy
Zavante 5000
on IG. Be sure if you can donate some to some of these organizations and give it back to the communities. Also, be sure to donate to George Floyd. It's very unfortunate what happened to him, but sometimes like it's sad to hear see stuff like this happen. But the thing that's going on around the world, these protests people doing in the UK and all these other countries, just a nice thing to see. Seeing people take down these Confederate leaders statues around the US and just taking them all down. I love it. I just love what's going on right now in the world. Well, not really love it, but I'm just happy with the movement that's going on right now. Coronavirus still around, but hopefully we find something to combat that and get it under control so we can go back to our day-to-day lives. man, I'm ready for this election to pop off, even though we got crazy Sleepy Joe at the helm for the Democrat Party. So again, we picking our poison. Before it was Trump and Hillary, now it's Trump and Biden. I wish we got Andrew Yang, but we just work what we can work with. Again, vote locally as well, not just on the presidential level and the big government level. Just vote locally. I'm telling you, like, cause the mayor of Atlanta, she's the one, yo. She's the one. She's running Atlanta perfectly. She's doing a damn good job. I'm making this into a political rant, but be sure to go vote before it's not too late. If you haven't registered to vote, please get it done. Again, like, comment, subscribe down below. Catch y'all next video. JD, end it for me.
No justice, no peace. Fuck these racist ass police.
Ew.
Wait, how you keep Ghana?
You know?
Wait, hold on.